Have you ever been like, I'm just gonna quickly take apart this fan. I'm just gonna blow it out, just clean it out a little bit. No big deal. It'll take me like 5, 10 minutes, 15 tops. And then like 5 hours later, you have all these parts and like 47 screws and like a sticker that says high voltage. And you don't feel like putting it back together, but you kind of need it because you can't sleep without the fan. And now you have this. So yeah, I mean seriously, it was fun in the beginning, like I had a bunch of Q-tips, and like I was detailing it, getting all this nasty crap out that I couldn't believe was in there, that I've obviously never cleaned this thing before, because there's no way I would take it apart like this. I swear I took a filter out last time, but that must have been in a parallel universe, a parallel fan universe, because this thing is like for a chemical engineer or some kind of engineer to take apart, because it's not just like there's 47 screws, there's like 6 different styles and sizes of 47 different screws, and none of them fit anywhere except for where they're supposed to go, but they all look the same until you get really close to them, and they're not. So I'm going to give this thing like 15 more minutes of my time. I'm going to put some screws in, and I'm just going to snap it together and plug it in and see what happens. Because I need a fan, and eventually I have to go to bed. Because if I go to bed and it's totally dead silent, I will die. Or stay up all night. Well, I'm done. It's together. Best invention ever, the magnetic screwdriver. Helped me a lot with those 47 screws. I'm complete. This is the last one. Now just to plug it in and hope it works. Have a great night.